Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video session, we'll be discussing what are SQL commands. So let's know what's the basic term command. So the basic command means it is an instruction. Command means an instruction. So likewise, an SQL command is an instruction which is given to a database. So in order to interact with the database, in order to, let's say, communicate with the database, we do so with help of SQL commands. So here is the categorization of the following SQL commands based on the operations. So if you want to create the structure or you want to alter the structure, anything related to the structure of a database, you do so with the help of data definition language. So data definition language has a list of commands: create, alter, drop, truncate. I'll be discussing each and every command in the upcoming video session in detail. So then we have the data manipulation command. So what is the basic thing of these commands is nothing but to do manipulations in order to do changes. Let's say you have created a table and you have you want to insert data into that table. Let's say you want to insert some particular rows. So you do so by using the insert command, and now you know that you have inserted some records. Now in order to retrieve those records from the database, you do so with the help of select command. So select commands gives you those rows, okay? And then the update command. Now you know that you have inserted something and now you want to little bit change that particular column value of that record, something like that. You do with the help of update command. Once you have inserted, updated, and there is a requirement that you want to delete that row, you don't want to use that record any longer. So you do so with the help of delete command. So then we have this data control language. Like suppose, let's say I have given a user access to the database. I do so with the help of grant command. Grant, the word say grant, give, okay. So here I am giving permission, such special privileges to a user to access the database. And now then the time comes that I don't want to you give such permission, such privileges to the user. I want to take back those things. So then I use the command revoke. So revoke command basically takes back the permission, the things which were given to that user. And then transaction control language, TCL. Now you know that a DDL command. So let's say in order to explain TCL, commit, rollback, save point. Let's go to this DDL commands. You know the DDL commands are auto committed. The word auto committed means they are permanently saved, automatically saved. When you write a create command, it gets saved automatically. Those changes are done to the database permanently. Whereas DML, these are not auto committed unless you write unless you write this command commit over there. Means the DML commands are not saved permanently. In order to do so, you have to use the commit command. Okay. And then you know that you have committed those particular commands and then you want to roll back. You want to undo those transactions, like the transactions whichever you have done. To you want to go back to the previous state which they were in. So you do so with the help of rollback command. And you know that you don't want to completely roll back. You don't want to go to or like undo those transactions from the beginning. You want to do to a particular point. So you do that with the help of save point command. I'll be discussing a more practical video sessions on these commands in the upcoming video session. So now let's dig deep into this DDL commands, data definition language commands. So the create command, these are the data definition language commands: create, alter, drop. Okay, so the first command, create command. The word create command says it is going to create something. It is going to create what? It is going to create the database objects. The database objects are nothing but the tables, procedures, view, functions, index, and triggers. These are a bit high level concepts which we'll be discussing in the upcoming videos. So now let's go with the basic ones. Okay, so let's talk about creating a table. So here's the syntax. Create is a keyword, which one is highlighted. These are the keywords: create table, followed by the table name. Like let's say I want to create a table student. So I do so using create table student, and I want and the column name goes in like student. Data type is student name, right? So the data type will be varchar and the size would be kind of 10, 20, something like that. And then you know that you have created the table using the create command, and in future you feel like this table is not my requirement. I don't use this table any longer. I don't want to use it any longer in my database. So what's the use and what's the point in having that table? So you know to drop the table, in order to delete the table completely, throw out of your database, use the drop command. So drop command is basically used to delete the object. It's not necessary to delete a table. It can be to delete a table, procedure, view, function, index, and triggers. These are database. These are called the database objects, right? So with the help of drop command, you can delete those objects from the database, especially that note that it should be an existing database. So this syntax is very pretty simple. Drop table. These are the keywords followed by the table name which you want to delete. Okay, now you know that you have created a table, you have inserted record, and now you want to modify those records which are present in the table. So you do so using the alter commands. Like alter command basically deals with like altering the columns, like you want to add some columns, you want to drop, like you want to delete some columns, and you want to modify the data type of the columns and all such things. So here alter table add, it is going to basically add columns as a keyword says itself. Alter table, table name, add column name, data type, and if you want to drop a column, you want to remove that particular column. I don't want to use that column any longer. So I do so with the help of alter table drop. Alter table, table name, drop, keyword by column name. Okay, as I have said that you want to modify a particular column. That also can be done with the help of alter command. You want to modify what? You want to modify data type. So use the keyword modify there, or let's say you can use also alter command. That's not. You can use like modify over here, or like alter over here, or else like modify as well. That's the same job. So alter table, table name, alter column, column name, new data type. As I said, you want to modify the existing data type to some other data type and size. Now, likewise, then we have the truncate command. Sorry, the truncate command. It is used to delete the data from a table. Okay, whereas the drop command was used to drop the table entirely. It like in order to remove the table completely away from the database. So now the truncate command, it is going to delete the data which is present in the table entirely, which remains, it retains the structure like the column, names, and all that will be retained. Just the data inside the table will be deleted. Then rename command. Okay, so this is another DDL command. If you want to rename an existing database object, like suppose if you want to rename a table name, okay, you want to give another name to a table. Let's say you want to remove that old name and you want to write a new name to that table. So you do this with the help of an stored procedure actually. So EXEC, this stands for, this is a keyword, execute. You're going to execute a stored procedure. Stored procedure is SP underscore rename. This stands for stored procedure, and then followed by old table name, let's say student, and then you want to write the new table name students. Okay, so these were the basic DDL commands. These are very pretty simple. I'll be showing practical the practical video sessions on this. So until then, stay tuned. Goodbye. Happy learning. Bye bye. See you in my next video. Thank you all.